So this is a 2-bedroom. This is apartment number 2. It's been fully remodeled. With newer appliances, new flooring throughout the unit. This is the only difference between any of the other apartments is the tile and the different setup as far as the bathroom goes, but all of the apartments have the same flooring and look about the same. This is the 2nd bedroom. There's a window there. There's a closet. I'm standing at the other end so you can see the entryway to the bedroom. It's a nice little size bedroom built for a kid, probably, or a roommate or what have you. Here's the master bedroom. In the master bedroom, you can see there's a closet, and there's the actual unit, laundry unit. There used to be a vanity there that we converted into an actual laundry station. This is the hallway to the bathroom and the other bedroom. And if you turn to the right, you're back in the living room. Gets nice lighting in the living room from the window. And that's apartment number 2. Oh, there's 2 entrances, the back entrance through the kitchen and the front entrance. So, back door, front door. And this is apartment 2. All of the units look pretty identical. Apartment 4 has stainless steel appliances, though probably the biggest difference.